हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम मॉडल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। मॉडल वर्ड जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हो, शुड, कुड, वुड, मे, माइट, मस्ट, कैन, दिस ऑल आर मॉडल्स। टुडे वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट शुड, वुड एंड वुड कि इन तीनों के साथ जब हम वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगाते हैं तो उसका सेंटेंस क्या होता है। शुड, वुड एंड कुड, इनके साथ अगर वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगेगी तो उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा। ओके, एंड पीपल्स आर गेट सो कन्फ्यूज। इन तीनों वर्ड्स में लोग बहुत कन्फ्यूज़ होते हैं। सो ये वीडियोज़ उन्हीं के लिए है जो मैंने इसको अच्छे से बनाने की कोशिश की है, बिकॉज इसमें कंफ्यूज ना हो। ओके, शुड, वुड एंड कुड। डू यू नो दैट everybody knows very well that should we use just a present, that I should have go to market, मुझे बाज़ार जाना चाहिए। I should have go to the park, मुझे पार्क जाना चाहिए। So you can use when you are using should have plus V3, it's mean that's the possibility that you could have done that work, कि आप उस चीज़ को कर सकते थे। ओके, should have plus V3 when we are using. So let's see the example. Our first word is here should. When you will use should have plus V3, that word will be structure. Let's see the examples. should have plus V3. I should have gone to the market, मुझे बाज़ार जाना चाहिए था। I should have contain to her, मुझे उसे रोकना चाहिए था। I shan't have gone to market, actually it's negative word shan't. Should plus not when you are using it shan't. Okay, it's just a short form. I shan't have contained to her, मुझे उसे नहीं रोकना चाहिए था। So here's the example. I shan't have contained to her, मुझे उसे नहीं रोकना चाहिए था। I shan't have gone to the market, मुझे बाज़ार नहीं जाना चाहिए था। I shan't have gone to the college, मुझे कॉलेज नहीं जाना चाहिए था। Should have, when I have made a negative sentence, then you will use not with should, so it will make shan't. I shan't have gone to market, मुझे बाज़ार नहीं जाना चाहिए था। Okay, let's see the second example. Second example is here could have plus V3. Could have plus V3 when you're using it's just a possibility. You could have contained to her, तुम उसे रोक सकते थे। You could have gone to the village, तुम गांव जा सकते थे। You could have become the professor, तुम प्रोफेसर बन सकते थे। You could have become the doctor, it's just a third form. You could have become the doctor, तुम डॉक्टर बन सकते थे। You could have played hockey, तुम हॉकी खेल सकते थे। So it's just examples. So please do keep practice. If you want strong of your words of these topics, if you want a strong make strong to this topic, then please do practice. Make a sentence on this word, then obviously your English will be improved. Okay, and our third model word is here would have plus V3. Normally we know very well that would is the word when we are using in the past. I would play the cricket, मैं क्रिकेट खेलती थी। When I was child, I would play the cricket, I would play the hockey, मैं खेलती थी। And would you can also use when you are giving proposal to someone. Would you marry me? Would you like to dance with me? When you are giving proposal, then you use. But when you are using would have plus V3, it's just a possibility that you can, कि आप उस चीज़ को कर सकते थे। Let's see the example. If I had MA in English, I would have become the professor. अगर मैं इंग्लिश में MA करती तो मैं प्रोफेसर बन गई होती। If I had MA in English, I would have become the professor. मैं प्रोफेसर बन गई होती। If my brother had come, I would have gone to the hospital. अगर मेरा भाई आता तो हम हॉस्पिटल जाते। Okay, and third is here, if my sister had come, we would have gone to the market. अगर मेरी बहन आती तो हम बाज़ार जाते। So here's the examples. Please make sentence on this word. Obviously day by day you will see that your English is getting improved. So please keep practice. Thank you so much.